Welcome to the March edition of Campus Connections. Today we're going to learn a little bit more about health and wellness. And joining me today are some of the wonderful staff that are working to ensure that our students and our community is healthy. Please share what health and wellness services are available through your office.
So our office is a little bit different than most college campuses. We are both on campus and working remotely. We are available Monday through Friday, but we do check in on the weekends too. If students, staff, or faculty are not feeling well, they can fill out an online form and talk to a nurse, and we can communicate with faculty for them. We handle sensitive information so they don't have to share it with faculty. We also collect all the immunization records for our full-time under 30 students, for our international students, for our gateway students, for our healthcare waitlist students.
Many students reach out to our office with cold or flu-like symptoms, and we end up guiding them either to their nearest urgent care or one of the free clinics through the Worcester Free Care Collaborative. We also can help them if they have other needs, parenting support, financial aid questions, so we treat them as a whole person rather than just a symptom.
So do the health and wellness services extend to the faculty and staff?
They do, as a resource. If a staff or faculty member isn't feeling well and they want to talk to a registered nurse, they can call us, they can email us, they can fill out a form, and we support them in the same ways that we support students.
So you provide some guidance for people, and that way keep the whole community safe. Do you have any upcoming events you want to promote?
Yep, so some of the programs that we have are Blood Pressure 101, Asexual Health Fair. It's called Inform, Empower, and Respect. We also have another program called The Importance of Eye Health, and the last one is Freedom from Nicotine. All of the students can find our calendar located on Waiver and Connect, and they'll also get emails from us as well.
And we do have a blood drive coming up, and that is going to be on April 1st, and it's a great way to give back to the community. The blood that we donate here does come back to our Massachusetts hospitals.
We are partnering with Phi Theta Kappa students and Be the Match. Across the nation, Be the Match goes to different colleges. They work with Phi Theta Kappa students, and it's called Cheek Week. And they do cheek samples to see if you can be a bone marrow match to save someone's life.
We partner with Shaw's. They come and they provide vaccine clinics for us throughout the year. We always have them in the fall for flu and COVID and any other vaccines like measles, mumps, and rubella.
One other thing I forgot to share is that we also have an amazing preschool on campus. And we are health consultants for the preschool also. So if there are illnesses happening over at the preschool or whenever they have new students or the start of the school year, we look over all the medical information, and we are a resource over there too for our smallest students.
So if a student, faculty, or staff are in need of your service, what should they do? How do they contact your office?
We each have individual emails, but then we have an office email, and that email is available to all of us. We do have an office on campus, but it is not a nurse's office. Also, both Val and Mackensey work really closely with the students, helping them to get compliant with their immunization needs. Once or twice a week, they are here in the HLC building just for drop-in help. So that's been a really great thing.
And do you also provide some assistance to students, for instance, with prescriptions or insurance?
As registered nurses, we can't write prescriptions, but we can help connect students with people that can. The Worcester Free Care Collaborative is amazing, and it really does cover all the healthcare needs that our students could have if they don't have insurance. So we have that information is on our website. In our office, we don't have someone that directly can help you with insurance, but right across the hallway in counseling and wellness, they do have a resource person. We're also part of the care team on campus, and the care team is whenever there's a student in need, it'll come to the care team and then get kind of ferried out to the appropriate person. Anytime there's a medical emergency on campus, campus police are our amazing first responders, but they will then give the information to us and we follow up. One of the other offices that we work really close with is Student Accessibility Services. If they have their very important pieces with accommodations, and then when there's a medical aspect to it, we can help out with that piece and with supporting the students, and together the student ends up much better off than if they just had us or just had them.
Thank you for joining us for the March edition of Campus Connections. We look forward to having you join us again for our April edition. Have a wonderful March.